All right, everyone, how are you? I hope everything and everyone is okay. So let's start. The title of the topic of my paper today is the Patented Technology Innovation Portfolio on Remanufacturing in Circular Economy using TRIZ, what we call the inventive problem solving. My co-author is Dr. Zulasni Abdul Rahim, and we are from MGIIT, Malaysia, Japan International Institute of Technology, University of Technology, Malaysia. So, moving on towards the paper. So the basic introduction to the topic is like a circular economy is an idea that many people have floated to maintain economic growth without causing harm to the ecosystem or using non-renewable energy sources. The remanufacturing process extends the time a product or a component may be used effectively. Even through its benefits, the economy, the environment, and the society, remanufacturing has to be improved in terms of supply, production line, and quality. So, in this study, we utilized the PLR, patented literature review, and TRIZ methods, what we call the theory of inventive problem solving. So, just give you a brief of the TRIZ. TRIZ is a method that examines the progression of technical advances for patterns and anomalies to come up with these novel ideas. So, what is remanufacturing technology and circular economy? So, then we debate about their connection or their relation. So, remanufacturing's considerable environmental, economic, and social benefits have gained attention worldwide, and as an effective means for developing the circular economy and achieving sustainable development. Remanufactured goods can serve money, resource, and time compared to the brand new goods. So, implying annual global savings in energy equal to 16 million gallons of oil. So, that's a huge amount. And as a result, when we say like the annual energy savings 6 to 9.5 billion kilowatt hours and CO2 emission reduction to 6.67 to 9.69 million tons are projected. So there is a huge potential. It shows there is a huge potential for these remanufacturing technologies, and we are going to save a lot of carbon, a lot of what we say, a lot of contribution to the SDGs also, and it's way beyond our imagination at the point. So we analyze the remanufacturing trends in patented technologies. So through the patent analysis, by using some softwares. So with the technical groundwork, one or maybe better patent functions as tool for encouraging innovation and the scope for their legal protection. So the indices of technological progress, innovation may be affected. So basically, before we move into the analysis of patents, so there is a light overview on what patenting may actually be and what patent analysis means to you. It's a discipline within the information science that constitutes one of a kind and a critically important source of technical expertise. So, what patent analysis of remanufacturing tell us? So, as you can see from this figure 1 here, so comparative data analysis of chosen keywords using Questel and Enosabi software revealed that the scope of the research is pertinent to the development of remanufacturing at the rate of 10.5% between 2017 and 20. So specifically from this period here. So incorporating the originality analysis and the distribution of the patent portfolio is is an example and innovation in the technology sector and bring innovation cycle into the focus. So because of this technology, what we have, the 73% rate, it has a 73% rate of uniqueness, which is very very rare and unique. It's a novel. So it comes to this novelty. When we consider the distribution of our portfolio, the early stages involve innovation cycle become apparent. And if we look at this, the figure on the right, so we can look at between 2018 and 2021. So the technology has a practical support of $1.6 trillion. So again, a very significant sign for us for moving forward. So again, moving to the next slide. So what is the role of remanufacturing in the circular economy? In a blog, the RIT states that $75 billion in annual revenue for remanufacturing in the United States supports 180,000 full-time employees. In 2016, American manufacturing exported approximately $11.7 billion in remanufactured items. So this thing is going on, and it's a huge market already, but still a lot of potential. So, and it's one of those, let's say, go green kind of things also. And it's not just America. You can, if you look at UK and Europe, British manufacturing yearly output estimated to be over 8 billion. Japanese remanufacturing generate annually in revenues around maybe 4.8 billions. So this is how things are going at. So the next is remanufacturing actually helps the economy and the community, since it uses it uses low and high skilled labor, and you can see from this forward and reverse flow chart. So you can see that manufacturing as an alternative product life cycle. So we can change it as an, like, it can be used as a you see, like, the forward flow, the reverse flow, and it's completely alternative in the product life cycle. Remanufacturing as an alternative in the product life cycle. So again, moving forward, the technology profiling using the theory of inventive problem solving. So our database gives us the patent data, gives us the data to analyze, and the TRIZ give us the tools on the basis of which we analyze, and we come up with some results. So here you can see that analyzing the patents, the technology is mainly focused on remanufacturing. So if you look at this word cloud, the remanufacturing, you can see. So the patent data is like patents in the name of the patents. So we find this keyword remanufacturing to be very healthy. And if we look at the thing, so we have different levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of invention. So again, in all those 3, 4, 5 levels of these things, so you can find a lot about the manufacturing here. Okay, so we move to our next slide. So the right side is basically the TRIZ, Schuler suggested the stages of invention which underline the technology profiling of various patented technical fields. So it's a very technical thing, how invention grows and through how stages it must flow. Technology profile of methods remanufacturing using TRIZ. So many manufacturers from years of patent filing can be used in TRIZ-based technology profiling for chosen technologies. There is a much teamwork involved with this technology. Ours is a global network that spans the academic and business sectors. So the network is already very healthy. So if we look at this highly funded and an increasing concentration on the remanufacturing between 2018 and 2021. So again, a healthy patent analysis and a healthy what you can say, it again emphasize our point, like the remanufacturing in a circular economy. So it's a highly funded area, it's a highly funded thing right now in the world. So it's with an increase of almost 16.4% investment. So again, if you look at this, so the figure on the left obtained to the patent analysis using Questel and Sobi software, again mentioning how we are getting this data. We are getting the patent analysis softwares, so Questel and Sobi software. So conceptualization of the scientific literature on the chosen technology. So the in figure this shows the more prominent study areas which links to the chosen technology. So operation research is like in manufacturing, the operation research is the most what we can say prominent study area with the links to the chosen technology. And sorry, so then again it also emphasizes on if we look at the word cloud here, so we can see the circular economy. Supply chain is like highly concentrated area, loop supply, and we have a growing area like a circular economy in it. So we can look at this also. So I jumped. Okay, so if we look at this thing, again it's analysis of the like top industry leaders. So Caterpillar is leading the stage. There is the top 5 industries leading the remanufacturing thing according to our patent analysis data. So Caterpillar is ahead, then Canon, Xerox, Chinese People Liberation Army, wow, and Jiangsu University. So it has like with the patented portfolio of 170 innovations, the Caterpillar is ahead, and the other 4 significant players make up for 14.69 of the top 100. So yeah, it's a very healthy. So here what we conclude our analysis for the remanufacturing in what we can say circular economy. So what we have proved from the patent by analyzing patent databases and applying our predicting tools from the TRIZ, so the PLR and TRIZ. So we came up with kind of a solution or a direction for from the patent analysis that remanufacturing in the circular economy is a growing field, and we need to look at it. People need to move to this thing, and it's a baseline study for any manufacturing company who plans or who should plan for the remanufacturing to grow and be a part of this circular economy. So here is it from my side. Thank you.